kasih. Selamat good afternoon. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ada yang saya akan sebut salam jasa, tak ada. Tak ada yang perlu saya sebut salam jasa. Tak ada. Tak ada. You might ask yourself why is it. Anyway, saya nak terima kasih kepada penganjur lah. Ini juga change. I will talk topic today basically change. Pada dahulu kita belajar di Amerika, di dunia keduanya orang lelaki, yang kedua perempuan. That's a change from my world then. Anyway, congratulations kepada Kozana, Syakir, Khairin, Wahab, sedikit berikan kepada Sali, nasib baik tak kata Rally, Syaril, Aida, Zainal, Adila. I also want my family banyak Adila, Azizi, Asma, Najmi, Sakina, Fatir, Aisyah. I thought I like to mention all your names because I think it's very wonderful thing that you have done today. Masa saya dahulu belajar, saya tumpuan saya hanya kepada apa yang ada depan saya, mata pelajaran saya lah. Bachelor Engineering, Masters Engineering, PhD Engineering. Luar apa itu? Luar lingkup itu, the world don't exist. That's what the mindset then for me. But for you, you are the generation of future Malaysia, generasi yang akan menentukan masa depan negara kita. Whether we shall, how we fit in the world, or how we can compete and survive in a global platform. Untuk itu saya nak bermula sedikit, nak tanya sedikit latar belakang anda. Tolong minta maaf, saya ni nostalgic cakap depan macam rasa buat lecture. I lecture was fair amount years ago. Dan nostalgic ke saya juga. At that time was quite a long time ago that I was sitting there. That was 30 years ago. 19, last time I taught, 20 years last I taught, 1985. 2005, 25 years ago, the last time saya pernah duduk begini and in one lecture, engineering course. I was teaching UTM. Pada diri saya, apa yang saya nak cuba ambil sikit, ruang lingkup yang saya ingin sentuh. Sedikit banyak saya nak membawa sedikit sejarah. Dan apa itu pengajaran sejarah? Sedikit banyak kalau saya berkongsi sedikit pengalaman saya, my life, how I went through the challenges I faced. From then saya nak simpulkan sedikit the challenges that you will face. Saya minta maaf lah kalau saya menganggap anda macam anak saya. My daughter, I got 3 daughters, 1 boy. My eldest is, they have to be correct here. It is my wife. So look at me sekarang, I might get the wrong years and wrong numbers. My daughter is 24. So she's now enrolled into MIT, trying to do PhD in biotech. So how many of you in biotech raise your hand? So I'm the right circle as far as my daughter is concerned. And then engineering, please. Or electrical. Electrical, mechanical, civil, or electrical, mechanical. Okay, yeah. And then the others. The others. The other. Over there. Other business. Chemical. Okay lah, jadi juga. Pegang yang 5 tadi. Medical. Bapa medical same gang ni. Yang topi separuh. So what are you taking? What are you taking? Electrical. Oh, electrical. 10 minutes to just sharing my background with you, the challenges that I face, and then I will try to look for the future in terms of the nation, how the nation has to change, the nationhood development has to change, to fit the world that's changing, and to fit us that are changing, the demographic change. Sikit banyak saya nak lihat, saya awal hidup saya di bidang akademik, given was my background tadi. And I like also to welcome to learned friend of mine, Dr. Azli Rahman and Dr. Bakri, very colorful background, and I like to thank them. I wish a colorful side. I shall not give other perception or others in Malaysia think of them. I will share some of your views who they have on them. I think we welcome people like Dr. Bakri, Dr. Azli. They are in the world, but they are connected in Malaysia. I think Malaysia, negara kita patut ada lebih ramai orang tokoh-tokoh seperti Dr. Azli, Dr. Bakri, supaya kita dapat juga pandangan-pandangan lain. Mungkin ada di Malaysia tak menerima pandangan mereka, itu tidak penting. Yang penting is diversity of opinion. Saya mungkin because my academic background, I always treasure when you walk into the room, there are people who will share with me what different views. Otherwise, bother we do brainstorming session, isn't it? Brainstorming, you begin with people different views, and to come up because for the love of the nation we all care for the love of the country, of the people that we all come from as one satu bangsa dan agama. Now we look at different things, and for them we always maybe 60-70% view as total view by all those present. Saya kata kalau setakat kita brainstorming sama kita hantuk, apa nak kata kaki apa ni, apa nak kata kaki siku sendiri ke lutut sendiri, orang tak ada apa brainstorming kat kampung. Why is there to brainstorm? Why just among your ladies, among we must have begin with diverse opinion. So thank you for coming on the agenda. Kita berikan ke Dr. Azli, Dr. Bakri. Saya dengar Dr. Bakri datang, saya pun tak sangka kerana sebab but they shows leaders like this, Dr. Azli, Dr. Bakri, they care for us and they care for our nation basically. Otherwise should they come here? They are successful in their own way. And yet they come and try to contribute. And then saya tengok dalam Dr. Bakri jumpa dengan teks semua sekali, tulis semua sekali. He not just he come, he just spend 2 hours at home trying to write a text. If I were you get his text and they printed, whether we share his view or not, this is the point. So I have that view. Sometimes I do a speech, I don't agree, I still want it to be printed. Because there is one view and I look his view that differ with mine, not just other view lah. Macam saya publish paper begitu je lah. Yeah. I would like people to analyze my paper, my thoughts, my thinking, because they may be right, maybe not 100% right, maybe 30% right, and let me examine my own views, my own position on a certain issue. In life, it's so important you allow yourself to critically analyze your thoughts and your thinking. Are you not able to do that by putting a mirror of your ideas to yourself? Yeah, you have to get other views. And I think this discourse today is very good. Dan saya ucapkan syabas dan tahniah. Berbalik jika saya talk about 5-10 minutes of saya punya background, I'm trying to take to you the challenges that I faced when I went through before. Pada ketika itu, obviously saya I knew that saya di kampung, we were talking to Dr. both of Azli and Bakri tadi. The world has changed. The world of me in the 50s, 60s where we were, and the world when we were brought up, the world of your parents, your parents' generation are different dengan world yang sekarang.